What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best digital piano. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and at the same time get a product of decent quality, we specifically recommend the Yamaha P125. The Yamaha P125 is the best affordable digital piano in 2023. Yamaha has always been known for its variety of keyboard lines, and the P125 is an interesting option within digital pianos or keyboards aimed at pianists. The model's 88 weighted pressure-sensitive keys, triple pedalboard option, and 192 polyphonic notes make it an alternative to consider, especially for those starting out in the piano world. The P125 is a digital piano focused on pianists, so the sound engine works with excellent quality, especially in the piano voice. Its 7-volt speakers and 192-note sound polyphony create high-quality sound. In terms of connectivity, the P125 might come up short for those looking for a digital piano for music production. However, the P125 has the essentials, including an auxiliary output, USB for host, 2 headphone inputs, the option of a sustain pedal or triple pedal, and connection to the Smart Pianist app. These options will be more than enough for many, as they allow most requirements to be solved. It also has a line output for connecting to a large amplification system without having to fit an injection box to increase the power. Connectivity for music production is essential, but it does have USB MIDI, which is enough if you're learning to play the piano and want to record MIDI tracks to later export what you're playing directly into a score. The advantages of the P125 are very clear. The keyboard with 88 weighted keys with pressure sensitivity is of excellent quality, as well as the sound it can reproduce, and all this is at an affordable price. The connectivity is good, however, it's lacking for music production functions. Although this is not the goal of this piano, even so the balance of the Yamaha P125 is very positive, since the focus of this model is to simulate a piano. For many, the only voice that'll be used will be the grand piano voice, and the price-quality ratio of this model is something that should be highlighted. Before buying a keyboard or digital piano, make sure you know in detail the purpose you'll give and analyze in detail what you need. That way you'll buy something more suitable. If you're going to start in the piano world or are already a beginner piano player, you should choose the Yamaha P125. Thumbs up. If you're looking for a product that'll give you even more value for your money, we've specially selected the Casio PX-870 for you. The Casio PX-870 is, in our opinion, the best value digital piano available on the market in 2023. This excellent model combines all the advantages of Casio AIR technology in a new compact design. The PX-870 has a brand new sound projection function for better and more natural sound output. Damper and string resonance simulation provides a realistic concert piano experience. Additional functions such as a lid opening simulator, sound synchronization equalizer, headphone mode, and sound recording function make this Casio instrument a compact marvel of functionality and acoustics. The concert play function also allows the pianist to practice and play a piano part with orchestral accompaniment. The multi-dimensional morphing AIR source reproduces beautiful, true-to-life piano sounds. The acoustic simulator represents the real sound of a piano. Resonance reveals the harmonic relationships between vibrating strings, while damper resonance simulates the release of a string when the damper pedal is depressed. The difference between the sound structures of a piano and a digital piano is shown as a difference in time, from the moment the instrument is played to the moment the sound is heard. The new Tri-Sensor 2-hammer action keyboard responds by incorporating the 3-sensor system that detects successive keystrokes. In addition to incredible piano sounds, the PX-780 offers a total of 19 different instrument tones, including strings, bass, electric piano, organ, and more. For added freedom in creating the sound that's right for you, the PX-780 features digital effects such as reverb, chorus, brilliance, and DSP in preset settings. The newly created sound system projects sound up and down like a grand piano. The sound's not confined to the interior of the instrument, but flows naturally through the speakers to create a deep audio feel, similar to that reproduced by a piano. Furthermore, the Casio PX-870 offers a series of acoustic simulators that take realism to another level. From the envelope simulator, you still have a range of room simulators and harmonic reproductions that reproduce the sound of a real piano. 10 recordings of live orchestras with high-quality sound are installed. Pianists can play along with the recordings and enjoy the feel of being part of a magnificent performance. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product on our review list is the Yamaha YDP145 Arius, which justifiably took the title of the best mid-range digital piano on the market in 2023. The Arius series replicates the pure sound and unlimited expressiveness of acoustic pianos with unprecedented realism. It almost plays itself, releasing the sound and music within you. Start your day with music and a big smile. This piano delivers crystal clear highs and powerful resonant lows, combining to create an impressive sound in the mid-range. The Yamaha YDP145 Arius delivers the same detailed sound, from the lowest to the highest notes, full of clarity and rich in harmonic content. It offers you a fairly good expressiveness full of nuances and perfectly fits both in your daily learning and in your most emotional performance. With its 88-key piano mechanics, the GHS graded hammer standard keyboard reproduces the feeling of playing an acoustic piano, from the characteristic weight of the low notes to the lightness of the high notes. The GHS keyboard offers the response and feel of a piano, giving you excellent expressive control. In addition, the half pedal function allows you to apply less resonance to notes by depressing the pedal less, giving you even more control. The richness of the piano's sound lies largely in its complexity. In a grand piano, the vibration of the strings is transmitted to the soundboard, and from there to the entire instrument, creating infinite resonances at all times. The YDP145 precisely reproduces these harmonic resonances thanks to the state-of-the-art technology called Virtual Resonance Modeling Light. VRM Light inherits some of the features of VRM clavinovas and creates a rich and varied sound by simulating harmonic complexes that occur when string vibrations are transmitted to the soundboard and other strings. Furthermore, openings in the back of the case allow sound to exit behind the piano, offering a more open sound and three-dimensional resonance as occurs with acoustic pianos. The YDP145 has 353 built-in songs, including 50 classical music and 303 piano studies by famous methods such as Beyer, Bergmüller, Czerny, and Hannon. Plus, it's compatible with the free Yamaha Smart Pianist app. Just download it to your tablet or smartphone and connect your instrument. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Up next, we talk about the Kawai KDP120, also known as the best runner-up digital piano on the market in 2023. As a beginner musician or pianist, you know how important it is to have the right instrument for your needs. The Kawai KDP120 digital piano is one of the most popular models on the market today, and it's easy to see why. This model has many features that make it an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality, trouble-free instrument. For starters, we have graded hammer action. This is a feature that really sets the Kawai KDP120 apart from other digital pianos on the market. The gradual action of the hammer means that the piano keys have different weights, mimicking the action of an acoustic piano. This feature helps to improve the pianist technique, as the keys are harder to press on the lower ones and easier to press on the higher ones. Furthermore, there is acoustic sound. The Kawai KDP120 has a very authentic sound, thanks to its high-quality sound sampling system. Each of the piano's 88 keys is individually sampled, meaning the sound produced by the KDP120 is as close to an acoustic piano as you can get from a digital piano. Furthermore, the Kawai KDP120 has numerous connectivity options that make it ideal for modern musicians. You can connect it to your computer or mobile device to record, edit, and share your tracks. But it should be emphasized that the Kawai KDP120 has a polyphony of only 192 notes, which means that if you play a piece with a lot of chords, some of them may be cut off. While this may not be a problem for beginners, it can be frustrating for some more advanced pianists. Customers praise the Kawai KDP120's authentic sound, as well as its graduated hammer action. Many also mention that the piano is easy to play and feels great under the fingers. In addition, many customers appreciate the KDP120's connectivity, which allows them to record and share their parts easily. Overall, customer feedback has been very positive about the Kawai KDP120, with many recommending this model to other beginning pianists. In short, the Kawai KDP120 is an excellent digital piano for beginners and even advanced pianists. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best all-around digital piano on the market in 2023. It's the Yamaha P515. The Yamaha P515 digital piano stands out as the flagship model of the Japanese company's portable line. For its price, realistic sound, and acoustic feel, it's among the best in its range. It includes samples from the best Yamaha pianos, the CFX piano and the Bosendorfer Imperial piano. Like the 16-track MIDI recorder, it opens up a range of creative and inspiring possibilities for composers and musicians. It presents a modern and elegant design whose portability is conditioned by its weight of 22 kilograms. That said, it is easily transported from one place to another, but not as a portable instrument because the dimensions of 133 by 37 by 14 centimeters require help or some auxiliary means for loading. In addition, you can install a support or console that holds it firmly while you play. This space is necessary to install a triple pedal, not included in the same way. Furthermore, it has a blue LCD screen and 23 illuminated buttons for selecting sounds and effects. Although it's compatible with the Yamaha Smart Pianist app, with which you can connect your mobile device to configure various functions. As for the sound quality of the Yamaha P515B, I repeat, its main component is an excellent binaural sampling of Yamaha CFX Grand Pianos and Bosendorfer Imperials. Both instruments have a spectacular sound, sharp, clear, and convincing. Both piano types can be configured and enhanced with stereophonic optimizer technology for headphone use, although its design is ready to increase the sense of immersive sound. In addition, the Yamaha P515 features 480 preset instruments and effects, 11 pianos, 7 electric pianos, 6 organs, 7 strings, 2 guitars, 2 harpsichords, vibraphone, 18 drum SFX kits, and more. The Yamaha P515 reproduces with VRM, Virtual Resonance Modeling, organic interaction technology, intended to provide greater depth to a realistic piano sound. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best digital pianos in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.